సో సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎంత కష్టపడి థియరిటికల్గా కానీ ప్రాక్టికల్గా కానీ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో నేర్చుకున్నా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసినా ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళేసరికి చాలా మంది ఫెయిల్ అవుతూ ఉన్నారు.
If you have a degree, just a piece of paper, so with that paper you cannot secure the job. Today IT company is telling we required multi-talented students.
సో ఇప్పుడు ఎలా వాళ్ళని ఇంటర్వ్యూ బేస్డ్గా ఎలా ట్రైన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు?
It is an internal mega drive. So we are checking the quality of the students. For example, in mega drive we will conduct front end, back end and aptitude. Every test we will keep. In that we will take face to face round. We will keep paper test also, system test also. So we are evaluating the students. So this is the system we are following, and because of that system only majority of the students are getting place.
అండ్ ఎలాంటి కోర్స్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి లైఫ్ లాంగ్ కొంచెం భరోసా ఉంటుంది?
So AI is helping the developers only to generate the code and to build the code.
వెల్కమ్ టు ఐడ్రీమ్. నా పేరు లుంపిని. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ కొట్టాలి అని చెప్పి క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఎంత కష్టపడినా ఇంటర్వ్యూ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళేసరికి చాలామంది ఫెయిల్ అయిపోతూ ఉన్నారు. దీనికి మెయిన్ రీజన్స్ ఏంటి అండ్ ఆ ఇంటర్వ్యూని క్రాక్ చేసి జాబ్ కొట్టాలి అంటే ఏం చేయాలి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు క్వాలిటీ థాట్ నుండి నియాజుల్ హసన్ గారు, సీనియర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ట్రైనర్. లెట్స్ టాక్ టు హిమ్. హలో సార్.
Yeah, hi.
Hi
How
sir.
are you?
I am good sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Tell me.
ఎస్. సో సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎంత కష్టపడి థియరిటికల్గా కానీ ప్రాక్టికల్గా కానీ క్లాస్ రూమ్లో నేర్చుకున్నా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసినా ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళేసరికి చాలామంది ఫెయిల్ అవుతూ ఉన్నారు. సో మీ అబ్జర్వేషన్లో, మీ అనాలిసిస్లో ఎక్కడ ఫెయిల్ అవుతున్నారు అనేది వాట్ యూ థింక్?
See, every company is having eligibility criteria. Suppose if you are looking for any job, especially in IT company, so first of all you required one graduate degree.
ఓకే.
So first is graduate degree is required. Second thing is, if you have a degree, just a piece of paper, so with that paper you cannot secure the job. So you need to learn at least one technology in IT. So you need to go to any training institute, you need to learn at least one course.
ఓకే.
So which is in demand currently. So you can go with Java, Python, .NET. We have multiple technologies.
ఓకే.
So what I feel, why students are failing in interview. See, to attend any interview, we required first resume. So we need to prepare our resume in ATS format only. So ATS format will help you to show you the percentage of your resume.
ఓకే.
Because nowadays many multinational companies or medium scale companies, they will evaluate your resume. They will check your performance of your resume,
Okay.
percentage of your resume, and based on that only they will call you. So many students will say, I am not getting the calls after applying for many job portals. So because your resume is not up to date.
ఓకే.
So that is the reason. So your resume should be in ATS format. And second thing is, if you go to any company as a fresher, so they will keep you written test. So they will keep you for written test. In written test they will ask you aptitude and reasoning. So you need to learn aptitude and reasoning thoroughly.
ఓకే.
So then only you can be, able to crack the one round of interview, sir. So then after that what happened, there will be a communication round. Sometimes, they will give you just in a minute jam session, okay, group discussion. Sometimes they will give you a topic, they will say speak for a minute. So that time communication skills also required.
ఓకే.
And along with this, we required strong subject knowledge. Today what is happening, students are going for many courses. They are attending full day classes. But at the end of the day, we realize that they are lacking of practice. So if students are practicing more and more, so definitely they will achieve the subject knowledge and they will become practically strong in the subject.
ఓకే.
So if you see IT company today, see what IT company is telling, today IT company is telling we required multi-talented students,
Okay.
multi-talented people.
ఎంప్లాయీస్.
Yes.
Yes.
Why? Because earlier, if you know only backend, for example, if you are doing a full stack course, and if you know only backend, people used to get a job. If you know only front end, people used to get a job. But today, company scenario has completely changed.
ఓకే.
So they are telling if you are a full stack developer, if you know front end, if you know back end, then only you can go for an interview.
You have to understand the company's requirement
Yeah,
as well.
yeah. Job description is very, very important.
Okay.
And do you know nowadays companies started, you know, this internship model also. For example, if you are a candidate for, looking for a job,
Okay.
so they are checking, have you completed any internship or not. So if you not completed internship, so they are taking you as an intern.
Okay.
So intern means you are not an employee of that company, you are an intern of that company. So after spending 4 to 6 months, they will make you per employee.
Okay.
So then later you will become a permanent employee based on the probation period. So if you do internship during the training only, and if you attend interviews, then you will go to the company directly as an employee only.
Okay.
So that is a benefit of doing what your internship. So see, if you need practical exposures, how in companies, how they are working with real-time projects. So if you want to gain such knowledge, so definitely you need to do internship also.
Okay.
So what I mean to say is nothing but if you have aptitude skills, if you have coding skills, communication skills, as well as good or excellent communication skills, and if you do internship also, then easily you can secure the job in IT companies, sir.
ఓకే అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్రైమరీలీ స్పీకింగ్ అబౌట్ క్వాలిటీ థాట్ సో ఎప్పుడు కూడా నాట్ జస్ట్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ఫోకస్గా కాకుండా ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ వైపు కూడా క్వాలిటీ థాట్ వాజ్ ఆల్వేస్ దేర్ సో కంపెనీతో టైఅప్స్ కానీ లేదంటే ప్రాక్టికల్గా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మీద వర్క్ చేయించడం అనేది కూడా సో ఇప్పుడు ఎలా వాళ్ళని ఇంటర్వ్యూ బేస్డ్గా ఎలా ట్రైన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు?
See, what do? We are conducting one mega drive. So it is an internal mega drive. So we are checking the quality of the students. For example, in mega drive, we will conduct front end, back end, and aptitude. Every test we will keep.
ఓకే
In that, we will take face-to-face round. We will keep paper test also, system test also. So we are evaluating the students. For example, if any student is failing in mega drive, so we are pushing those students for the next mega drive.
ఓకే
So to improve themselves. But what happens if you clear the mega drive? So they will give you some credentials for Ramnasoft job portal. From there you can apply for companies.
ఓకే
So they do have strong placement. So that placement team helping the students to get the job. So how we are training to the students, whenever job description come from any company, so they will first they'll send to the trainers only,
ఓకే
and they will say this is the JD is there, and our student fit for this JD or not. So after taking the confirmation from us, they will post in the job portal.
ఓకే
So this is the system we are following, and because of that system only, majority of the students are getting place, and some of them are getting failed also. The reason behind is lack of what your communication. If you are strong in technically,
ఓకే
but you are lacking in communication. So some other factors are also there.
Yeah.
They are not taking any seriousness in the course. Sometimes they are just coming and listening the class, and they are not attending the lab.
Okay.
They are not utilizing the lab faculties also.
ఓకే
So that is also impacting to their failures.
ఓకే అండ్ ఇంకొక కాంట్రడిక్షన్ ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ల్యాకింగ్ ఉండి టెక్నికలీ బ్రిలియంట్ ఉంటారు కదా
Yes.
సో వైస్ వర్సా ఆపోజిట్ కూడా ఉంటారు కొంతమంది కమ్యూనికేషన్ లో దే ఎక్సెల్ బట్ అగైన్ టెక్నికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అలాంటివి ఏది ఉండదు కదా సో అలాంటి స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు?
See, we do always encourage the students with our words with motivational speak. So what we actually tell to them is, see, if I am giving a training to you, so definitely you will get the knowledge. But if you want to be experienced na, so you have to do hard work.
Okay.
You need to dirty your hands in practice. So if you can't practice means, then that the lackness whatever you have, you cannot overcome to that. So we will guide them like where you are lacking. So how you need to improve it.
ఓకే
So what are the methodology we need to follow to overcome? Because every person is having weakness. So we will come to that weakness also. We can overcome to that weakness with some guidance. So definitely we'll do the same thing to the students.
ఓకే అండ్ ఫైనలీ జాబ్ ఓరియంటెడ్గా ఎలాంటి ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ట్రెండ్ ప్రకారం చూసుకుంటే ఎలాంటి జాబ్ రోల్స్ ఆఫర్ చేస్తారు స్టూడెంట్స్కి అండ్ ఎలాంటి కోర్స్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి లైఫ్ లాంగ్ కొంచెం భరోసా ఉంటుంది?
If you are a multi-talented, and if you completed your course thoroughly, and if you have internship knowledge also, so surviving in a company is not a very big deal. Why? Because today AI also came. So AI is helping the developers only to generate the code and to build the code.
Okay.
So indirectly it is reducing the burden of the developer. So only the thing is consistency you need to maintain. For example, day to day some tasks will come. They will assign some tasks to you.
Okay.
So you need to complete on time. Whatever the work is there, you need to deliver, before the time. So if you maintain this, then nobody will touch you.
డన్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ టైం సార్.
Thank you.
చూసారు కదా ఇంటర్వ్యూ రౌండ్ని ఎలా క్రాక్ చేయాలో. అండ్ ఫర్దర్గా మీకు డీటెయిల్స్ కావాలి అనుకుంటే కింద మెన్షన్ చేసిన నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. అలాగే లింక్స్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటాయి. డూ క్లిక్ అండ్ ఎన్రోల్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. కీప్ వాచింగ్ ఐడ్రీమ్.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to Idream.
ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ iDream.
And please subscribe to Idream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, Idream.
Subscribe to Idream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to Idream Media.
iDream ki iDream team అందరికి huge congratulations.
Please subscribe Idream Media.
Please subscribe to Idream.
Subscribe Idream.
Please subscribe to Idream.
ఐడ్రీమ్ అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు. మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to Idream.
Please subscribe to Idream.
Please subscribe Idream Media.
Please do subscribe to Idream.
Please subscribe to Idream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe Idream.
And don't forget to subscribe to Idream.